Hey there, need help from Ubisoft? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to contact their support team without the guesswork. Start by heading to ubisoft.com and signing into your account. Just click the little person icon at the top right and follow the login prompts. Once you're in, look at the main menu across the top and click on Help. This will open a new support page in a separate tab. Next, pick a topic that matches your issue. Let's say you're trying to recover your account. Click on that to continue. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the article and look for the Contact Us button. Click that to move forward. Next, pick the category that fits your issue. For example, if you're having account problems, choose Account Management and Security. Here's where you describe your issue. Type in the details, upload any screenshots or files if needed, and check if any suggested articles match your problem. Once everything's filled out, just hit Open Case. Your request goes straight to Ubisoft's support team and they'll follow up with you by email. And that's it. You're all set. If this helped, go ahead and like the video and check out the next one for more quick guides like this.